Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create magnifying effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the elements and search for man with mobile image. Choose any image and add it to the canvas. Increase the size of the image to fill the entire background. Then, go to the elements, choose frames, and add to the canvas. After that, go to the elements again and add an arrow line to the canvas. Place the frame and the mobile phone image next to each other, making sure they are aligned. Next, click on the arrow line, go to the color options, and choose any color. I chose white. Then, click on the border line. Set the line weight and increase to 5%. Here, go to the elements, add another image to the canvas, and place it inside the frame. Increase the size and crop it as needed. Then, go to the border line, set the line weight, and increase it to 8%. Next, go to the borderline color and choose any color. I chose white. This is our final image. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.